sit in isolation with my code. The enlightened construct of my roof has gathered mold. An absent godless free illusion staged with phallus acts. And my empire dominated act is getting old. Nihilists with capital may help you make the roads, but masculine and masochists don't help a flower grow. Men might build a house, but only women make a home. It's houseless men that make me fret, my earth won't make it home. Genocide, psychopaths, warlords make the maps. A masculine audacity that's woven in the stats. Femininity and wanton touch heals and servants back. And if healing is a balance act, let balance take control. I need some love to hold on to, inside the shadow that I run. I sell myself for the wealth I belong to, like the vibes that I know. By virtue of this being Plato's cave, the crowd beholds the culture that enchants the shadow's game. Compartmentalizing colors by as lie evolve and change, to seeing dark colored people in handcuffs getting slain. A contrarian may hit you with the facts that by the numbers the white deaths outnumber blacks. But in the western world where the Caucasian colors stacked, attacks based on the fact you're black just means discrimination's free to act. And if power needs an underclass sustained, then they'll move blindly forward at the cost of weakest pay. And color doesn't matter if you're just too poor to play, and power has no ear to answer weakness on their level of the game. You may need some will to hold on to, but I saw your shadow go. I sell myself for the wealth I belong to, while I watch your flower grow. You may need some will to hold on to, but I saw your shadow go. I sell myself to the wealth I belong to, while I watch your flower grow. In a culture that our ignorance begat, on the thrones where the old kings of nepotism had once sat, now sit the beasts of corporations, technocrats. The structure minds our comfort, to which our morals then adapt. Individuals partake with road to gain, and racing to the top may seem a catalyst to change, but humans seem misguided by reprisals of their rage, the emotion that insists the soul engage. But power keeps your apathy sustained, exhaustion and your portion spent on escorts and cocaine. Attacks on artifacts of the instincts that humans crave, but the cycle says there's always more to gain. And a man might be designed to keep he and his fellows safe, but not at the cost of what is clean instead of sane. You get impatient on impartial ways to act, get out of line, you get exiled or get your neck snapped. I need some love to hold on to, as you watch your shadow grow. I sell myself to the wealth I belong to, by the flowers that I know. I need some love to hold on to, as I watch your shadow grow. I sell myself to the wealth I belong to, by the flowers that I know.
I see you smart. Let's get